One of the things that gets missed in the discussion about AWS is how powerful it can make a handful of people. So we are a very small office. The technical team is basically me and one other guy, and we are able to manage an online community of 500,000 people. And that is entirely due to AWS. My name is David Beck. I'm the technical director of NaNoWriMo.org, which is also called National Novel Writing Month. And my role with the organization is managing all things technical. We host a community of writers. There are about 500,000 active writers within our community, and every November they come together to write novels together. Last year we had about 450,000 participants during November, and 48,000 finished their novels, and all of them used our site and our community to do so. On November 1st, we get inundated with hundreds of thousands of user sessions. It's on the order of 100 times our average traffic. In a 12-hour period, it increases that much. We couldn't possibly host the infrastructure ourselves to manage this kind of web traffic. And in fact, every single year on November 1st, the site crashed and was down for several hours. And this was considered kind of a badge of honor for our participants. They liked the fact that the site crashed. The first year we used Amazon Web Services was 2012, and the site didn't crash. We use a number of services on AWS. We use the EC2, of course, running between 40 and 100 instances, depending on where our traffic load is. We use RDS service for databases, mostly MySQL, S3, of course, and we also use the Route 53 service to manage all our domains and subdomains. We have found a sweet spot in terms of how we manage this infrastructure with AWS by using reserved instances, which are much cheaper by pre-reserving them than the spot instances are. One of the things I love about AWS is how it's all integrated, and I can instantly see sort of the status of everything we've got and instantly navigate between these various services to understand how they all fit together, which is very cool. Using AWS, first and foremost, has enabled us to achieve 100% uptime. We're not crashing anymore. This is a good thing. And AWS has enabled us to refocus our attention on our community and away from the technology, which has made us much more effective and broadened our reach.